Lowe's reached out to us and asked if we'd be interested in sharing their SpringFest extra big deals. We said not only will we bring the extra big deals, we're going to bring some of the regular big deals as well. Anyway, as we see it. So let's jump right in. First up, we have the Cobalt 24-volt, 130 mile per hour battery handheld leaf blower. This has the 3 amp hour battery included and the charger. Only $79, so you're saving $50 off of this price. And again, you're not only getting the blower, but you're also getting the battery and the charger with it for only $79. So sticking with Cobalt, but not so much a power tool, more of a hand tool or a hand truck, if you will. Specifically, this is the Cobalt 6 cubic foot wheel steel push wheelbarrow with flat free tire. And this comes in at just $109, so you're saving $30 off the regular price of $129. And sticking with the yard work, we have a Never Kink 5/8 inch by 60 foot heavy duty kink free vinyl gray coiled hose. This comes in at just $25, so you're saving $5 on this deal. And if you need a little longer hose, you can also get this in a 100 foot version as well, and this is going to run you $50. Now, if you want a true blue leaf blower, then we have the Cobalt 40 volt, 600 CFM, 130 mile per hour battery handheld leaf blower. This also comes with a 4 amp hour battery and a charger. So you get a battery and charger with the 40 volt leaf blower at $159. You're saving $20 off the normally priced $179. Now, if you're a DeWalt fan, I highly recommend you jump on this deal. You get a 2-pack of the 20 volt, 6 amp hour batteries for $179. Normal price on this is $300. So you're almost saving 50% on this deal. Again, if you have DeWalt tools, you need to jump on this deal. And again, sticking with DeWalt, we have the 10-inch, 15-amp portable job site table saw with the foldable rolling stand as well. Altogether, that's $599. You're saving $100 off the normal $699 price. And furthermore, we have the DeWalt 20-volt Max 3-tool combo kit. You get a drill, an impact driver, 2 5 amp hour 20-volt batteries, and the circular saw for only $399. That's a savings of $50 over the normal $450 price. You get a nice bag to keep all that in, as well as the charger. And this is another extra big deal. This is the Ego 765 CFM 200 mile per hour leaf blower. Comes with a 5 amp hour battery and the charger for $329, but you also get another battery as well. So it's kind of a buy one, get one, another $149, $150 value. Normal price just on the blower and battery combo is $359, but again, you're getting that for $329. Highly recommend you check that deal out. Getting over to some of the red tools, we have the Craftsman V20 20-volt battery, a 4 amp hour battery for just $59. Normal price on this is $129, so you're saving more than 50% on this deal. Now, if you don't need as much power, but you still want an Ego blower, then you can step down to the 56-volt, 615 CFM, 170 mile per hour blower, and you can get that with their 2 amp hour battery and a charger for just $169. Normally, that price is $219, so that could be a cheaper option for you. And sticking with the Ego line, they have their 56-volt power load telescoping shaft battery string trimmer with the 2.5 amp hour battery and the charger for $199. Normal price on that is $220, so you're saving about $20 there. And something to go with those hoses earlier is the Orbit Max 8-pattern thumb control trigger nozzle. These are only $13, normally $17. And encouraging more of that yard work, we have the Suncast Wicker Hideaway plastic 225-foot container hose reel. So easy way to store away that hose without it being unsightly or just coiled up on the ground. Only $70, normally $80. And when you're done with all that yard work, you can fire up the old flat top, and specifically we mean the Blackstone 28-inch original griddle with the hard cover. Highly recommend you getting a griddle with the cover on. It's going to save you tons, especially when it rains. Anyway, this is a 2-burner propane flat top grill. You also get to choose a free culinary 10-piece cleaning kit. That is the Blackstone cleaning kit. It comes with all the tools that you need for your flat top as well, and that's only $299. Even more Ego stuff on sale. This is the 56-volt, 26-inch hedge trimmer with the 2.5 amp hour battery and the charger included for $229. That's a $50 savings off the normal price of $279. Did you say you wanted even more Ego stuff? Well, great, we have it. It's the 56 volt, 16-inch chainsaw coming with a 2.5 amp hour battery and charger. $249, and normal price on this is $279. And what'd you say? Some more Ego stuff? Well, great. We've got you covered there as well. 56 volt cordless. You get the string trimmer and the leaf blower combo kit and a 2.5 amp hour battery and charger for just $279. Normal price on this is $359. So you're saving quite a bit on that combo deal. No, we didn't forget about the lawnmower either. We have the Ego 800 series Select Cut with touch drive, 21-inch self-propelled battery walk-behind mower. Again, comes on their 56 volt platform, a 7.5 amp hour battery that's included, also a charger, and you get this for $649, $100 off the normal $750 price. And not only that, you get the buy one, get one as well, so you can get another free battery in that deal as well. And if that deal wasn't good enough, we have another Ego lawnmower coming in at just $599. And this one is the Ego Power Plus 600 series touch drive, 21-inch, 56 volt battery, self-propelled battery mower with the 7.5 amp hour battery that's included. And you get a charger as well. And again, the price on this is just $599. And after you get that yard all cleaned up, it's time to clean up that house with a pressure washer. And we have the Greenworks 2200 PSI, 1.2 gallons per minute cold water electric pressure washer with 4 spray tips that comes included. Also comes with the hose, just $199, $50 off the normal price. And make sure you don't miss those eaves when you're doing the pressure washing. And you can reach that with the Werner NXT-1A 8-foot or a 12-foot reach, fiberglass type 1A, which is a 300-pound capacity step ladder. Price on this is just $149, which is $50 cheaper than normal. And if you want a little more compact ladder, we have the aluminum Little Giant M14, which is a 14-foot reach, still a type 1A, which is a 300-pound load capacity. It's telescoping and a multi-position ladder for just $169, normal price of $194. Well, if you bought all these tools and equipment, where are you going to store them? We've got you covered there as well. We have the Cobalt 77-inch wide by 24-inch deep and 72-inch high, 4-tier heavy-duty black metal wire utility shelving unit. Comes in at $249, normal price of $299. If the flat top griddle wasn't your answer, then definitely the pellet grill will be. So this is the Pitboss 700DX series, 740 square inch black pellet grill. This comes in at just $479. That's a saving of $50 off the normal price of $529. And when it's time to chill after all that hard work and all that barbecuing, then Lowe's has some chairs for you as well, coming in at a great deal of only $20, which is $10 cheaper than the normal $30. These are the Pelham Bay stackable black metal frame stationary dining chairs. Comes in a tan sling seat. So highly recommend these. It's so easy to just, for $20, buy one of these rather than trying to repair your old ones. But if you want to step into something quite nicer, then Lowe's has got you covered there as well. This is the Style Creations Cave Hill 4-piece patio conversation set with beige cushions, and that's $498. And that's $498, $100 cheaper than the normal $598 price. And what's lounging without a fan blowing on you? And this is the Harbor Breeze Northbrook 52-inch matte black with matte blades, LED covered outdoor ceiling fan with light and remote control. And that's a 5-blade fan coming in at $100, $30 cheaper than the normal price. And if you're needing that landscaping to look a little nicer, then you may want to pick out a few of their landscape timbers coming in at only $2.99 a piece. And lastly, if you can't find any shade, then you might as well make some shade. They have the Allen Roth 11-foot aluminum beige slide tilt cantilever patio umbrella with lights and base. $398, normally $498. That rounds out our deals for the Lowe's SpringFest. We'll have links in the description if you want to. We'll have a link to our storefront through Lowe's if you want to check that out. Or if you want to go into your Lowe's, you can do that also. Also, some of the YouTube shopping links may be connecting to some of these deals as well. We highly recommend you taking advantage of these deals. Let us know if you think we should have added something different or if you hated our selection. Be sure to point it out in the comments. Have a great day and keep smiling.